Instagram filter search option not showing. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So simply open your Instagram and then go to story, and this is the effect you would be looking for, or this is the icon you would be looking for, where you can search several other effects. But if this is not being shown in your application, what you have to do is go to Play Store and see if you have the latest version of Instagram or not. If not, simply tap on the update button and update it to its latest version. The next step is to tap and hold the Instagram app and then go to App Info, and then on its storage section simply tap on Clear Cache and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.